Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. Steve Hoong is my full name. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is found in my city, not in my hometown. Because I was born in Manila, then I was migrated in Dumaguete City. This is found in my city. By the way, this is about more on Filipino Chinese Christian school. It's not a Catholic, although it's a Protestant evangelical Chinese Christian school found in the Dumaguete City. This is very significant for me because people will search it in Google or Yahoo. This is recognized in Google or Yahoo search engine. This is about DACA, D-A-C-C-A. Okay, DACA stands for Dumaguete Agape Chinese Christian Academy. I'll repeat, DACA stands for Dumaguete Agape Chinese Christian Academy. The location is located in Kilometer 5, Jose Romero Road, Barangay Hunob, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. By the way, before I say goodbye, this is just only Reels. A lot of you will be asking, is there a video? Yes, there will be another set. It's a video, not Reels. Because Reels is limited in YouTube for 180 seconds, so 3 minutes. But more than 180 seconds, that's more than 3 minutes, then it is considered or classified as video. This is a paid promotion label. Paid promotion label from YouTube. YouTube knows about this. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.